Hi, in today's video we're going to talk about the importance of running effective project meetings. In today's fast-paced business environment, the importance of effective communication cannot be overstated. Meetings, especially project meetings, are the linchpin of this communication. However, not all meetings are created equal. Some can drive a project forward, while others can feel like a waste of time with too many people and without getting to key issues or decisions. In this video, we'll delve deep into the art and science of conducting a successful project meeting and how modern AI tools can be your secret weapon to ensure every meeting is a hit. Setting the stage for a successful meeting. Begin with clarity. Every meeting should have a clear and defined purpose. Whether it's brainstorming new ideas, making critical decisions, or simply updating the team on progress, knowing the why behind the meeting is crucial. Before calling a meeting, always ask yourself, does this really need a meeting, or is it an email or phone conversation? The participants matter. It's not about quantity, but quality. Ensure that you invite stakeholders who bring value to the table. Overcrowding can lead to chaos, while missing key participants can result in incomplete decisions. An agenda isn't just a list, it's an essential tool, it's a meeting roadmap. Preparing an agenda in advance ensures that the meeting stays on track. It provides direction, sets expectations, and ensures that all critical topics are addressed. Distribute this agenda beforehand so participants can come prepared. The role of AI in pre-meeting preparations. AI tools like Meeting Insights can analyze past meetings to suggest optimal durations and participants. Use AI-driven calendar tools to find the best time slots where all participants are available. AI-powered chatbots can send out pre-meeting surveys to gather initial thoughts, ensuring everyone's voice is heard. Conducting the meeting. Start on time and respect the set end time. This sets a professional tone. Assign a note-taker or use AI transcription services to capture the discussion. Encourage participation. The more diverse the input, the richer the outcome. AI enhancements during the meeting. Use AI-driven presentation tools that adjust content in real time based on audience reactions. AI-powered voice assistants can set reminders, answer queries, or even pull up relevant data during discussions. Real-time translation tools can break down language barriers, ensuring clear communication in multinational teams. Post-meeting actions. Distribute the minutes of the meeting promptly. This serves as a reference and ensures everyone is aligned. Assign action items. Clear responsibilities lead to effective execution. Gather feedback. Continuous improvement is key to running successful meetings. How AI transforms post-meeting activities. AI tools can automatically generate and send out minutes using transcription data. Predictive analytics can forecast project bottlenecks or challenges based on meeting discussions. AI-driven feedback tools can analyze sentiments and provide insights on meeting effectiveness. The future of project meetings with AI. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, meetings powered by AI can create immersive collaborative environments. AI-driven analytics will not just capture what was said, but also the underlying sentiments and emotions. Automated follow-ups, powered by AI, will ensure that action items are executed and projects stay on track. Meetings are more than just a gathering of minds, they're a platform for collaboration, decision-making, and innovation. They also take up a lot of time in most businesses. By integrating AI tools into the process, we can ensure that every project meeting is efficient. Integrating AI into our meetings will be less of a luxury and more of a necessity. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, the key to a great project meeting lies in preparation, participation, and post-meeting actions. And with AI by your side, you're well equipped to lead effective and impactful discussions. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips. Feel free to give us your tips for effective meetings in the comments below.